So this balcony is like a big mama.
It is a massive balcony.
Big mama balcony. Whee! No, it's nothing that I've dreamed up. Welcome! Let's show you around our balcony room on the MSC Seashore 13016. Come on in. I'm actually loving this room. It's so big. It's like very expansive. This is actually an upgrade. I bid on this.
We booked in an ocean view.
We did, and it's the first time. And then I was like, I think I'm gonna bid. He's always the bidder. And I bid, and we actually got the upgrade. So over to your left, you're gonna have some closet space, and here is some shelving with your safe, which is a pretty small safe in the safe vernacular. But it's pretty small. On the other side is where you can hang things. They have some hangers, but I don't think they have a ton of hangers. So you might want to bring your own. I'm counting maybe about 8-9 hangers max. Oh, it does open further. Jason got it. So there's not a whole lot as far as hangers go, but it's still a nice large space, and there's some storage underneath, which would probably be a good place for shoes. We got some lights here. This switch, does not go with these lights as I thought it might. I'm turning some more lights on.
There are actually two switches.
Here they are.
One is the book light.
One is the book light, but you can move the book light anywhere you like, which is my favorite because I like to read at night, even though I rarely use book lights on cruises. But I think they're so cute.
One thing I did notice is that on that side, there is no USB.
Oh.
And I didn't actually notice any power on that side.
Ooh. But there is a little bit of storage.
There is some storage. So on both sides, there is storage. But there is
a USB on that side.
But look at
this. This is my favorite. Look at this huge mirror. It is massive. I've never seen this big of a mirror before. And look, it's like full length, full width, which I don't really need that. But how great is that? I love it.
There is a nice big TV.
Yeah, the big TV, and it's angled toward the bed, which is great. So you're not
probably moves.
Like,
but I can also
yes. Oh, cool. So that's why it's in the middle.
Yeah.
Great.
And then there are a couple
European plugs,
outlets, and then there are a couple US and 2 USB.
USBs.
So plenty of USB.
It's got some magazines you wanted to put
you want to
on
bring your
in
magazines
there.
with you? Magazine rack. There you go.
There you go.
There are drawers here.
There are drawers, yeah.
Big
And
one
then
too, like 3 drawers here, and then another drawer.
Drawer here has the very tiny and probably not very powerful blow dryer.
Yeah.
Let's look at the mini bar.
I checked it. It is locked. I know.
I am in shock.
I know.
We should have access to a refrigerated area.
I know. We'll have to ask them about that.
Oh my word. They have a nice
There's a table
for
and a chair.
room service and
Yeah.
A chair.
I do like that design because it gets you
both two things. It's like 2 in 1. It's really great. More storage. Boom, boom, boom.
And then there is the couch here.
Which
and this couch makes into a bed. Yeah,
it's super massive.
really large
very
couch.
Big. And yeah, I mean, not the most comfortable, but it could be worse.
Shark.
Shark.
I assume that's a shark. Yeah.
Shark art.
Yeah, perfect.
Art shark.
It does have blackout curtains, and these look pretty thick.
Yeah,
so,
that's nice.
Yeah, it really does.
I mean, except I think we're waking up pretty early tomorrow, but there's, once again, we're finding some rooms have this awkward, weird space.
I know, but those are the best because that's where I like to put my camera bags and stuff.
He puts all his camera stuff in there, so it's really cool. So this balcony is like a big mama.
It is a massive balcony.
Big mama balcony.
We were on the NCL getaway a couple weeks ago, and the balcony was tiny.
It was tiny.
But this is a pretty ample space. Lots of space for little A little table, a couple chairs.
This is a very
Great,
large space.
Large balcony.
And
really
usually these little table things are like,
are tiny.
yay, big.
But I think this doubles.
As a, like a
Put your feet up.
balcony.
Oh, look, there's more storage over here.
Oh, look at that. There has been no bed test.
Let's go ahead and get our
Okay.
real review.
Am I going to break my back or am I going to sink into this bed?
And by the way, I just have to call out, this is Michelle's birthday today.
Oh, it's my birthday today.
So we are in good mood.
Hi, guys. Super good
Hopefully
mood.
this bed will be
All that I've dreamed of.
for our birthday.
Whee! No, it's nothing that I've dreamed of.
Yeah, that's pretty stiff.
Yeah.
It's got a little
But
bounce to it though.
There's a little. I feel like maybe we've been in a couple worse beds.
Have we though?
I feel like Norwegian and Virgin were pretty interesting beds.
All right, well, we'll have to compare. It's definitely not Princess.
Not Princess. Oh, wait. We didn't show you the bathroom.
Oh, that's right, we didn't.
Come on down. Number one, we have thermostat right here.
Yeah,
Warm,
pretty
cool.
standard.
Looks pretty easy
It is
to
one
work.
of those type of,
Turn on.
you need to put your key in the, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, here's a D&D thing. So do not disturb and makeup room.
Yeah.
Oh, to make up the room.
Yeah.
I was thinking like
Perfect.
makeup room. This is my makeup room. We got some
Couple hooks in the
towel
back, yeah.
hooks. And we come in the bathroom. This is a nice size
It
shower.
really is.
And shave your legs if you
Listen,
want.
I give props, even though it's a small footprint of a shower,
Mm-hmm.
we can fit in there, and
Yes.
it's glass.
And it's glass. It's
And-
really pretty.
Yeah, that's,
And it looks like we might have just a moment. Let me check for you. There are no, oh, yes, there are labels on top. This is shower gel and shampoo. So there's no conditioner. And I don't like that. I don't know. MSC is a European thing. Do Europeans use conditioner? Please let me know in the comments. But we have a nice little shaver, nice little European and US outlet
Yes.
for you. This sink is kind of cute. I like how it's like a shape. There's lots of sides to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a hexagon.
all right.
Wow. We have a mirror here. We have a mirror here, and that is a magnifying mirror. And nobody ain't want to look at me magnify, but it's kind of
It's a little bit
broken. We do have some storage under here.
Yep, that's good. Actually, that's a pretty ample storage.
Yes, it is.
All right, so not the biggest bathroom, but very utilitarian.
So
Okay,
I think
so
this is good stuff.
that
Happy with the
is room 13016 aboard the MSC Seashore.
Hopefully I can remember it. They all are gelling together. It's probably the Blue Hawaiian drink that I had. It's delicious now. It's delicious.
All right, well, thank you for joining us on our tour. And now I think we are going to go do some exploring. Davis wants some food.
Davis actually just wants to get
Okay, well, ice cream.
food. Ice cream is food.
Food is ice cream.
Ice cream is life.